Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to reattach this handle to this door. I've just recently spoke to the customer and she told me that she did reattach the handle after the kids had pulled it off, but she used a fatter screw. It did work, but it's only a temporary fix, as you can tell. In this video I'm going to show you how to properly reattach the handle so it stays nice and tight like the first day it was installed. So stay tuned. Right folks, before we go ahead and repair this door handle, I want to make sure you've got the right tools at hand. First thing you need is a cordless drill with a 5mm drill bit, preferably a wood bit. You also need some 5mm wall plugs. I'm using Roll plugs with an R. I trust these really well, used them for years. I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can check those out. And then you also need a hammer. This is my little toffee hammer for small jobs like this. You don't need anything big. And the process we're going to do is, using your drill, we're going to bore out these holes to accommodate your roll plugs. In Nottingham we call that titivating. So we're going to titivate these 4 holes, slide the roll plugs in, and then we should be able to offer the handle back up and screw it back to the door so it's nice and tight like the day it was installed. So guys, using your 5mm drill bit, we need to start to titivate the hole. Nottingham slang, remember. So, not going all the way in, you just need to take in about that much of your drill bit. Now what we should be able to do, the holes should now accommodate the 5mm roll plug. So there's one. Just need a little bit more on that one. And then 3. And 4. Using my trusty toffee hammer, just knock those in. Like so. And then using a screwdriver, which I forgot to tell you folks to add to your tool checklist, offer your handle up to the door, locate the holes, and then screw the screw in. You immediately be able to feel how tight the hole is now. Don't go too tight because we need to readjust until we get the other screw in. That's that one. And that one. Before I put the other 2 screws in folks, a little top tip is always use a screwdriver to tighten up your screws when you're putting them into wall plugs. You'll find a lot of people will use a cordless drill and they'll tighten them right up, and what happens is, because the drill, you can't actually feel how tight the screw's getting inside the hole, it will strip the roll plug, and that's what you don't want. Even on big jobs in the wall, you want to be able to, you can use your cordless drill, bang the screw in until it's about 5mm away from the wall or the fixing, and then put the rest in with your screwdriver. This makes sure the fixing's nice and tight and you haven't stripped the wall plug and the wall plug's doing its job. Okay? I'll crack on with these 2. And there you have it, folks. The handle is nice and tight. There's not a month in Sundays that is coming off the door. Pretty straightforward. I hope you understood all the instructions, because that's what I'm trying to do, is make it as easy as possible for all of you out there. If you've got any questions or comments about today's video, it was short and sweet, but sometimes I think these short and sweet videos get straight to the point instead of all the gibberish sometimes you come across. So leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you're still having difficulty reattaching your door handle, and maybe I can help you out with that as well. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button. And thanks again for watching, folks, and I'll see you in the next video.